Alright, homies, let's shred a Bloomburrow pack. Warren Elder, Finch Formation, Early Winter, Cash Grab, Whisker Quill Scribe, Moonrise Cleric, Sticky Tongue Sentinel, that's a funny one, Sticky Tongue, Frog Warrior, I might put that somewhere just for fun, Flame Cash Great Gecko, Patchwork Banner, Mouse Trapper, Tangle Tumbler, Hearthborn Battler. Haste. Whenever a player casts their second spell each turn, Hearthborn Battler deals 2 damage to target opponent. It's actually not that bad at all. And the foil is Fireglass Mentor. Rush Shield Rampager. Thanks, guys.